looking into a few features, I would argue there's symbolism. If you look at the pyramid shape at the top, and then the compass, the key, often there's a rooster, although in this case it's a ball, and I'm not close enough to see, but point, and I was just talking about the history of crowns, going from inverted to exverted, and then how the metals, kind of like the conductors, and the crystals or stones, kind of like the lattice-shaped semiconductors potentially, but with the magnetosphere potentially being reduced. Again, this is just theoretical. In the past, it's almost like an early radio type device, which makes me think of the electric haptic communication, and why it's associated in the tarot as well. The gold crowns mentioned in Uspensky specifically, and the floral crowns mentioned elsewhere. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare, but we've got the circles. Again, this is very Art Nouveau, Art Deco inspired. Generally, some lotus blossoms. Always lovely. And there's a dome. Sorry, it's a lot of walking. There's a dome that I'll try to get snapped later. It definitely had a lion and an angel, almost as if squared, and I didn't get to see if it had a phoenix or bull or moon or what on the other parts, but it did make me think of how like an angel a human can be with the star card and the resonance aspect with the star. I didn't want to get a stranger in the shot. And oh, dragonfly, it's blue too, and privacy, but mostly the haptic electric impulse, and possibly of stars. And if you think of like the solar wind impact that's in the news so much, and the sun is so beautiful. Hello. But also kind of small. Regardless if like neurons, then whatever they're pulsing out, impacting us with our electric systems, that for whatever reason I don't feel like those are talked about enough. I know if you take physiology, but that's not exactly taught everywhere. And then to what extent, I don't know. But as far as mechanisms, that would be a theoretical one.